In 2026, AI video creation has changed everything. But one question keeps coming up: Sora 2 or Veo 3? Do you want an AI that tells powerful stories or an AI that shoots cinematic, production-grade footage?
Welcome to YouTube Guru, the channel where we break down AI tools, content creation, and the future of digital media in a simple way.
If this video helps you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below.
Readings. The real difference between Sora 2 and Veo 3 is not just features, it's philosophy. Sora 2 is an AI story.
It focuses on emotion, movement, and cinematic mood. Veo 3 is an AI cinematographer.
It focuses on realism, lighting, and professional quality visuals.
This is one of the biggest differences.
Veo 3 generates native audio. That includes dialogue, environmental sound effects, and even background music, all synced automatically. Sora 2, on the other hand, focuses purely on visuals. Audio needs to be added in post-production pre-Ring, but the creative freedom is unmatched.
And visual quality and resolution. Veo 3 delivers up to 4K resolution for short clips, sharp,
Clean, and advertising ready. Sora 2 usually outputs up to 1080p, but with a softer, more film-like look
that works incredibly well for storytelling.
Workflow and editing. Veo 3 integrates directly into professional pipelines, including Google Flow and Enterprise tools.
Perfect for studios and marketers. Sora 2 lives inside ChatGPT, making it fast, intuitive, and social creator-friendly. Great for ideation, prototyping, and viral content.
Realism vs creativity. If you care about accurate text, clean lighting, and realism, Veo 3 wins. But if you care about human emotion
and creative, moody scenes glide, Sora 2 dominates.
Quick summary. Here's the simplest way to remember it. Veo 3 is built for production. Sora 2 is built for storytelling. Which one should you use?
Choose Veo 3 if you're creating ads, branded content, or realistic footage. Choose Sora 2 if you're focused on creative stories, short-form content, and emotional impact.
Which AI video tool would you use and why? Let us know in the comments.
If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to YouTube Guru, and keep exploring the future of AI with us. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to YouTube Guru, and keep exploring the future of AI with us.